Good morning, children. Today we're starting lesson 8 in the Maths No Problem textbook 2B, page 33. And we're learning today how to calculate total amounts. That's how to add up money in pounds and pence to find a total, what the value is of the two amounts or even three amounts all together. Let's have a look at the in focus task. What is the total cost of the sandwich and the toy? And we have a sandwich that's costing £3 and a toy lorry that's costing £9. I'd like you to have a little think about the answer to that question. I think most of you will be able to do it in your heads. 3 add 9, £3 add £9, or £9 add £3, because remember addition can be done in any order. And then write that down in your exercise books. Hopefully you've got the answer, okay, of £12. Now if we look at our Let's Learn part 1, we see that Maths No Problem are representing this calculation, this finding the total amount, in a bar model, using a bar model. And this bar, the orange bar, represents the £3 that the sandwich cost. And this red bar is representing the £9 that the toy cost, the toy lorry. Okay, so Sam has bought the sandwich for £3, represented by the orange bar, and the toy lorry for £9, represented by the red bar. Can you see that the red bar is much bigger than the orange bar? When we draw a bar model, okay, you can see that if it's a bigger amount, we're using a bigger bar. Okay, now you might have used your notes, your specimen notes and coins to help you find the answer. Let's check, shall we? Okay, how we can use those notes and coins today to help us find the right answers by counting on. Okay, if we can't do it in our head. So, first of all, we've got £3. So I've chosen to represent that £3 with a £2 coin and a £1 coin, because 2 add 1 equals 3. And the £9 I've chosen are £5 and two £2, because 5 add 2 makes £7, and £7 add 2 more pounds equals £9. Now, if I rearrange those in order of their value, we've got our £5 and we've got a £2, we've got another £2, another £2 and our £1. And then we can add on, can't we? Starting with our largest value number, £5 add £2 equals £7. £7 add £2 equals £9. £9 add £2 equals £11, and £11 add £1 equals £12. So Sam pays £12 in all for those two toys. And then we'll ask, how can we check our answer? Well, we can use the inverse operation of subtraction to help us find out whether or not our answer is right. So if we start with the £12 and we take away £9, which was what the lorry cost, we should be left with our £3. Yay! And then we can also check, okay, using another subtraction, and we could take away the £3, okay, that Sam pays for his sandwich, and we're left with £9. So yes, we know our answer is right. Okay, question 2. Hannah saves 40p on Monday. She saves 15p on Tuesday. She saves 30p on Wednesday. Oh, she's very good at saving, isn't she, Hannah? What's our first question about this information? How much in total, remember that means all together, does Hannah save on Monday and Tuesday? Okay, let's underline that key information then, that we need to find the answer. Finding what she saves on Monday and on Tuesday. So she saves 40p on Monday and 15p on Tuesday. We could represent that in a bar model. And here, the 40p is the purple bar and the 15p is the yellow bar. to help us find the answer, if we can't do it in our heads, we can actually use the coin. So I've got 40p and I've made that with two 20s. Remember children, 40p could be made in lots of different ways, but I've chosen two 20s for today's calculation. And then I've got the 15p she saved on Tuesday, represented by a 10 pence and a 5 pence coin. Again, that 15 pence could be made in lots of different ways. And then to find out how much she saves in total, I'm going to add up the 40p that she saved on Monday with the 15p she saved on Tuesday. 20p add 20p equals 40p. 40p add 10p equals 50p, and 50p add 5p equals 55 pence. So Hannah saves 55 pence on Monday and Tuesday. We can put that in a number sentence that looks like this. 40p add 15p equals 55p. Okay, let's have a little look at the second question together. How much in total does Hannah save over the 3 days? Okay, so we've got what she saved on Monday and on Tuesday. I'm going to try and write now. It's quite hard with my pen how much she saved. Okay, it's much easier in school when I've got the use of the whiteboard. Oh, not too bad, Mrs. Eade. So 55 pence, okay, has been saved on Monday and Tuesday by Hannah. On Wednesday, okay, she saves an extra, let me use my pen to underline the key information. On Wednesday, she saves another 30 pence. So that's my 30 pence here. 10, 20 and 30. I've chosen to represent 30 pence using 3 10 pence coins, just like Maths No Problem here. And now we could add an extra part to our bar model, an extra bar, the red one representing 30p, which is bigger than the 15 pence, because 30 pence is a greater value than 15 pence, but it's slightly smaller than the 55 pence because 30 is less than 55. And then I can add on to the 55 pence my 30 pence. So 55 add 10 would be 65. 65 add 10 would be 75. And 75 add 10 would equal 85 pence in total. So altogether, over the 3 days, Hannah saves 85. Okay, join up that 8 pence. Okay, don't forget that P sign because we're working in money. Right, and now there's the guided practice for you to do in your exercise books. You've got just 2 questions. First one says, how much do these cost altogether? And you've got a sweetie, I think it is, that costs 45p and a stamp at 39 pence. Now remember children, you can use coins and notes to help you to work out the answer practically, or you could do the sum in your head. Some of you are really good at that. You can use the counting on method that we've been using in money for the past few days. Okay, the method to find the right answer needs to be recorded in your exercise books, and you can show me your working out and show me how you did it. And then the second question, oh goodness, this is making me hungry. 2 burgers. Don't think I could eat 2 burgers. But 2 burgers at £2 each and 2 sweeties at 45 pence each. And you've got to find the total of those 4 items. Again, children, remember you can use your specimen notes and coins to help you with your adding up and your finding the totals. If you complete this work in less than an hour, then you can move on to complete worksheet 8 in your workbooks, pages 33 and 34, and they should look like this. Again, okay, we've got some items here. Look at them very carefully and their little price tags, and you've got to answer the questions A to E, and you're finding the total cost of whatever the question asks you. Look very carefully. If it says pencil and notebook, Okay, you need to add up 12 pence, which is the cost of the pencil, and 29 pence, which is the cost of the notebook. Let's have a look at the next page. Oh, we've got a bar model there for us. Again, not quite as colourful as in the textbook, but you can see the amounts that 55 pence is greater than 28 pence represented on this bar model. It says Emma bought an ice cream for 55 pence. She also bought a lolly for 28 pence. How much did Emma spend altogether? And this time you have to put the numbers, okay, and a symbol here, calculation, and then write how much she spent altogether here. Okay, I'm sure you're going to do amazingly with these simple word problems today, and I look forward to seeing your answers on Tapestry and how you worked them out later.